In this video, we show you how to replace a warped or torn screen from a window or a screen door. With just a few tools and a roll of screen wire, your window will be back in working condition with minimal cost. You'll need the following tools: a flathead screwdriver, box cutter, a window spline tool, a roll of screen wire, and screen spline. The first step is to take a screwdriver and remove the spline from the frame. The spline is the rubber-like material that holds the screen in place. Second, roll out the screen over the existing frame, making sure that it overlaps all the edges. Take the spline and unwind it along the side of the frame. Starting in a corner, lay the spline on the groove that the original spline was removed from. Using your spline tool, gently push the spline into the frame. As you move around the frame, make sure the screen keeps taut and wrinkle-free. Finally, once the screen is in place, trim the overage along the spline edge, creating a neat, finished look. If you have any questions about this process, call SWF Home Inspections at 941-493-4334 or 239-330-9910.